Welcome to Backyard Foundry. This is our 2 kg furnace kit that is now selling for 3,000. Delivery is 350 anywhere in Africa. So let's just take you through it. There's the burner, the crucible, gloves, ingot mold, borax powder to get at all the impurities, tongs, dross scoop, hose, and a high pressure regulator. And that's how it looks. And then we put the lid on like that, and that's it. Like I said, total price 3,350 on special from Backyard Foundry. Contact us on backyardfoundry44@gmail.com. Thank you very much. Bye bye.